Hi guys, welcome back to Math with James. It's been a while. I've got knocked down by some influenza. I'm still going through the phase of recovery, so please excuse me if my brain is still working slow today. All right, so we have this function over here. As I've talked about before, you can take a function as a machine. You put an apple in a machine, and then the machine turns your apple into something else. For example, a red apple. And the function of the machine is changing the color from green to red. But you have to keep this in your mind. Different functions have different functions. All right, so now let's take a look at our function here today. So fx plus x1 is equal to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. We have to isolate this apple out in this final expression, but we don't see the apples. So we have to reconstruct this part to see the apple and how the apple is manipulated. So basically when you see the cubed power of two elements added up together, then it will ring a bell of the formula of the cubed sum. For example, let's just write the formula down. So a plus b cubed actually is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. Yes, we can consider x cubed as a cubed and 1 over x cubed as b cubed. All right, we can do it backwards to isolate this part out. So basically, x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to x plus 1 over x cubed minus this part out, right? So it's basically 3 times x squared times 1 over x, and then put them together in brackets, plus 3 times a, so that's x times 1 over x squared. All right, and then this part is equal to x plus 1 over x squared minus, we can factorize 3 out, so minus 3 with the brackets of x plus 1 over x. So now you can see the apple here. So basically this function can be looked at something like this. F with an apple as the input, and then the apple is going to be manipulated in this process. The apple is going to be squared, and then minus 3 apple. So now you only need to plug 4 in. Apple is equal to 4, which will give you the result. F4 is equal to 4. Oh goodness, I got it wrong. So it should be, the apple here should be cubed. I got it wrong, sorry. My brain is still not working really well at the moment. And so the final result should be F4 is equal to 4 cubed minus 3 times 4, which is 60. This part is 64 minus 12, which would be 52. Is that correct? All right, guys, stay warm. Take it easy. I'll see you guys next time.